Cash App Advisor, one of the best guide for Cash App users. My name is Mashkoor Ali. If you use Cash App and want to know how to get free money without paying a single dollar, this video is for you. I'll explain a few safe and honest ways to earn free money using your phone. So make sure to watch till the end. In most methods to get free money from any app, you usually have to pay first, either as a registration fee or under some other name. But today, the methods we're sharing require no payment at all. As you can see, this article lists many ways to get free money from Cash App. When we scroll down in the article, the first method shown is the referral code 1, which you might already know. In this method, you need to click on the profile icon in your Cash App and then tap on Invite Friends. You then have to send the link to someone who hasn't installed Cash App yet. If that person installs Cash App using your link, you get a fixed amount of money for free. We've shared the article link in the description so you can understand this method in more detail. As we scroll further, the next method shows how to get free money through weekly giveaways. You need to follow the official Cash App Twitter and Instagram pages. Every week, they run offers and giveaways. All you have to do is follow their instructions and comment with your cash tag. This way, you can also receive free money on Cash App without paying anything. Scroll down a bit more and you'll see an image that shows how these Cash App giveaways look. Then we scroll further and see a section about promotions. But in that method, you do have to pay something, so that one might not be useful for you. As we scroll even further, there's a method where you can earn money by playing games. There's a game called Mistplay that you need to install on your phone. After registering, you have to play games inside the app and earn points. You can redeem those points in the form of Visa gift cards and then add those Visa gift cards to your Cash App account. So these were some methods through which you can get free money on Cash App without paying anything. To understand these methods in more detail, the article link is provided in the description.